are only 3 Jain shrines in American museums. All these show similarities in intricate carving work and polychromy, which is a technical jargon for painted with various colors. The Museum of Fine Arts shrine was not a colorful piece at the beginning of the conservation project. Thanks to the cleaning and removal of the aged shellac varnish that covered almost entirely the shrine surfaces, not only incredible vivid red paint was revealed, but also a number of colors decorating the figures and animals of columns and frontal panels. Still to be identified by laboratorial methods, these pigments range from yellow to complex brown on elephants, and from pink of the figurine's face and hands to emerald green on garments. The single elephant from the top of the cornice presents a dark blue tone unseen on other parts of the shrine. It is also one of the few parts not covered with shellac. In a matter of fact, some greens visible on the figurines could be originally blue, which turn green to the acidity effect of the shellac on copper-made blue pigments. The finding of polychromy is an accomplishment of the conservation treatment that elevates the already extraordinary artistic quality of the shrine.